Hello guys, hope you're doing absolutely well. In this quick presentation, I'll be showing you on how to sign clients with LinkedIn. Everyone is asking on how you can sign more clients from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but you know what? There are 2.5 billion users on Instagram and 25% of them are posting content. But on LinkedIn, there is less users, around 1 billion, but only 1% of them are actually posting content. So just look at the market gap. If you are posting content on LinkedIn right now, if you're leveraging LinkedIn right now in the next year or so, you will be the top voice in your industry and you will be signing a lot of clients. Okay, I just have 126 connections. I didn't knew the power of LinkedIn. I underestimated LinkedIn a lot, but just from 126 connections, I get a lot of opportunities. Your full-time social media team, without the team, I post content, okay, and all the skills I have, my past experience, everything. So I've just made this quick presentation. I won't take up a lot of time. I know you guys are busy, I am busy, and we definitely respect each other's time, right? How to add an extra 10,000 to 30,000 revenue with 30-second videos without paid ads or setters organically. Okay, so and this is, by the way, entirely done upon LinkedIn. This is very powerful. So I want to show you the value ladder. So this is very important. I'm just going to show you. So this is a buyer, a prospect. He's completely unaware of you. Then one step closer, by your content, by posting your content, he sees your content and he becomes aware. Then you keep on nurturing him, following up with him, sending him case studies and showing the past results, everything. And then the trust builds up. After that, he starts loving you. He starts loving your content that, oh my god, he's got an amazing personality. His messaging is same for the entire year. Just imagine if you see a person posting exact same messaging, exact same offer for the next 2 years or 3 years, you will initially you will buy from him because he's so consistent, he's so much predictable that you see that there can be a partnership between us. He can help me reach that next point because he's consistent and he's getting results for other people. So you have to move the prospects from unaware to love if you want to sell them high ticket. And by the way, if you are dealing with low ticket offers like $50, $100, $200, you can happily leave this video just enough for you. This for the people that have the potential, their service is awesome, but they are not just getting the people to love their service and buy that. Okay, so just for example, you are on YouTube scrolling, not really doing anything, unaware. You see a video of me on how to get to $10,000 per month in coaching. You become aware. After that, you watch the video, trust the guy, and you watch more content. That builds trust. You watch more and more and more and more and love their solution, and you start loving them. And after that, you book a call and you pay the bills. Okay, this is how the real deals happen. And if you are not creating content on LinkedIn, my friend, you're out of business. Okay, you can go get a job happily because this is not definitely going to pay your bills. What do you need in order to do this? There are 5 things that you need to do. A high ticket offer, obviously. If you're selling 100, 20, $50 stuff, get a job, guys. Second thing, content around that offer. So you have to make content around that offer. If I'm selling AI content, I need to be putting out my AI avatar speaking in place of me so that the people can see that he is doing the same stuff that he's preaching. A lead magnet, for example, on how to make $10,000 in the next 30 days paid ebook. After that, a conversion event. You can hold a webinar or a sales funnel event. After that, a camera and a webcam to record. That is it. And you just bought yourself $100,000 mansion right then and there if you focusing on the 5 things. Okay, I'll be focusing more on the LinkedIn part later, but right now I just want to show you the basics. And by the way, you can implement this onto any platform. Now we have to make attention generating content on LinkedIn, guys. For example, this video right here. Okay, clients and it consists. I bet you didn't know the simple way to find international clients. I bet you didn't know the simple way to find international clients were $2,000 per month. I use this method for my clients and it consistently brings me a keyword related to the service. Showing it can proof, showing your service. So you have to post these kind of content, and I've just recently started posting, and I've got people interested in my service. Okay, and after that you make attention generating content. Now what you have to do is you have to tell them about a lead magnet. If you want something, comment that, comment the word DM down below, comment anything down below, doesn't matter. And when they comment the word, you simply message them with your solution, with the lead magnet, and after that you qualify them, ask them what help do they need, how many clients are they assigning, how many people they want to be working with, what is the main bottleneck that is stopping them from going from 0 clients to 10 clients or 20 clients. And we really trust you, but we really want you to be succeeded. That is why this is our solution. Bam. That's how you make the bank. Now, what about the conversion event, Aviral? What is it? Is the conversion event like something of a Google Meet? Yeah, kind of. It is a Google Meet. So you can hold a webinar where you can invite all your followers onto one meeting. You don't have to do 10 meeting, 20 meeting. On one meeting, you're closing 10 deals. This is something not a lot of sales gurus talk about. You can hold a conversion event, or if you are just working with B2C businesses, what you can do is you can simply hold an event where you can invite them all that, hey, I'm hosting an event on May 15th at 4 p.m. where I'll be showing you the exact strategy that is crushing for our mortgage brokers, and they'll hop onto the meeting, and after that they will literally pay you over the call because they are fellow real estate agents, and that boosts the trust. And this is the kind of conversion event I'm talking about. A simple landing page, enroll 5 to 10 high ticket clients without money objections webinar. So we are hosting a webinar, name, email, phone number, automations. They hop on the webinar and you get the bank. So this is what it means. And what is the way to promote the event? Through your shorts, at the end you have a CTA, and put the link in the description or comments. Do 2-step posts on your Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, WhatsApp. Go into Facebook and LinkedIn groups and just tell about your webinar. Create Facebook, LinkedIn events, etc., etc. Okay. And by the way, when you are on the brink of buying courses, you are basically here. This is exactly where the people on your webinar are going to be. So all the people on the webinar already love you. So even if you sell a shitty product, they will buy from you because they already love you. Okay. So there's about 30 to 40% show up rate from sign-ups. For example, if 20 people sign up, 40 people will actually show up to the webinar, and that is simply it. Okay. Now just imagine a person is reaching out to the people. He's cold calling, cold DMing, and you are on the call with 10 prospects that are loving you, and they literally want to buy your service. So you are literally the king of the market, and that's what we need to do on LinkedIn. Now I'll be opening the LinkedIn up. I'll be teaching you on how to do this. Go to my network. Okay. Just connect with the people that are in your industry. Okay. You connect with them, you message them, build the conversation, and keep on posting content that targets your target audience, calling out their pain point, calling out their stuff. And you also need to have a niche, guys. Don't be that generic marketing agency that sells everything. And how to find the content? You literally have to copy paste. For example, go on to X. Okay, I go on to X. I'm refreshing X. Now let's see what happens. Magic is going to happen right now. Just wait and watch. Solo founders, what are you building this week? Okay, just find a free lead magnet. Where's a free lead magnet? Just find one. Okay. Okay. So right here the lead magnet. I put 20,000 hours into organic client acquisition, and I've made this PDF. Comment down below, and I'll send it over to you. Look, sign 2 to 5 clients a month on LinkedIn. Just look at it. Okay. Just copy the entire post. Go on to Quillbot, paraphrase the post, and then okay, paraphrasing tool right here, free paraphrasing tool by the way, and paste it here. Okay, paraphrase it, copy it, then go on to LinkedIn. And for the people that don't know how to post, or the people that know how to post but aren't leveraging the secret strategy, this is how you post. Go on to here, paste the thing, and post it, guys, and people will be reaching out to you. And you can do the similar strategy on Facebook groups as well. Just look at my Facebook, guys. You won't believe how easy it is. Just go on to Facebook groups and ask easy questions. That is what it is. Okay, she commented on my post. So I just posted a normal engagement post so that people know my name in the group. And now what happens? 20 comments and 11 likes. I'm curious what are people doing to get more leads. Any good strategies? You can do the same stuff on LinkedIn groups as well. Okay, all these people are thinking that I'm a genuine guy. By the way, I didn't even wrote this post, man. I just copied it word to word and I posted it. So you just have to copy paste. Don't use your own brain. Just copy the stuff and paste it. Look, it's her post and it's my post, and my post has more impressions than her post. Okay, and this is, by the way, how every big company operates. They copy their competitor, make it better. I haven't even made it better. I haven't even made it better, guys. I literally copied and pasted it, and the result is in front of you. And this is where the money is. We can do the same. We can go on marketing groups on LinkedIn. Sorry, my bad. And we can post it. That is literally it. Okay, this is literally it, guys. This is literally it. So, what is the summary? Summary is that we need to post content, we need to lead them onto a webinar, and you can get the results. Okay, you can see a lot of amazing results, and that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, I expect you to at least subscribe me, leave a comment, and tell me what you are facing with your business right now, and I'll get into your business, solve the problem for free, so that you can grow and I can be happy because you are growing. Because my happiness lies in the success of my subscribers. So that is what it is. And stay struggling and succeed with the strategies that I told you on LinkedIn. Bye.